Oh, so I'm going to do today a chicken tray bake. But you're not going to see me today because I don't look my best. I'm just about to get in the shower and wash my hair, but I'm going to cook this for dinner. So I've got 2 chicken breasts, and you can see I've put garlic powder. Oop, that's the wrong way around. Lemon and pepper and olive oil. So I've put that on the top. I haven't done olive oil yet. I've got squash and potatoes, bok choy, and in here, it looks horrible, but it's just water with a stock cube, and actually very British of me, I put a little bit of Marmite in it, and it just gives it a stronger flavour. So I'm going to come back, and so you'll see the tray bake ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, so a little trick. I microwaved the vegetables, just the potatoes and the squash, for about 3 minutes. Then I've put the stock in, so it's all ready now to go in the oven. I think it's going to take about 45 minutes. And for the last 10 minutes, I'll add the bok choy. Let me put it in the oven, and I'll come back soon. So hello, 35 minutes later, I've taken that out. I am going to actually put the vegetables in the air fryer for a little while and then add the bok choy. I'll be back. They're in the air fryer. How yummy does that look? So I'm going to add some bok choy. I put some water into the pan, and I'm going to, as you can see, it's just starting to boil, and then I'll put that through a strainer and I'll have a nice sauce to go. Here we are with the final tray bake. If you don't like Marmite, leave it out, because the sauce does taste of Marmite. If you want to thicken it up, use whatever you would normally do to thick it up. But there we go, healthy tray bake dinner. Okay, my next meal is really simple. I'm going to make some pork stuffed bao buns. So I put my pork in the slow cooker with seasoning, garlic, onions, and I'm just going to do stock. Once I've put it all over, I'll probably add some other things to the stock, but we'll see. And then I'm going to cook it for probably 3 or 4 hours, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we've come to the next point. So we've taken all the fat off, shredded the pork. It was 4 hours on low, and I tasted it, and it needed something. So easiest thing to do is vinegar and sugar. I use a sugar substitute, and I added some Liam Perrins. I did add some tomato ketchup as well. Now, I'm not at home, so I kind of have to use whatever I've got. So I'm going to reduce that down as much as I can, and then I shall put it all together. Now, reduce the sauce right down till it's sticky. We've got the bao buns. No, I didn't make them myself, that I'll microwave, and the shredded red cabbage. So I'll show you when we're all ready. So here we have the 2 bao buns, shredded cabbage, and so that's my lunch. So you've seen dinner and lunch.